Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Carveco Maker and VCarve Pro. Carveco Maker is beginner-friendly and works well for both hobbyists or small workshops. It offers both 2D and 3D design tools, sculpting features, and allows you to create 3D reliefs from factures or images. It comes as a subscription at $15 per month, so it's affordable and regularly updated. It's best if you want a flexibility, easy learning, and a wide range of design options without a large upfront cost. VCarve Pro is a more professional and powerful, focused on 2D and 2.5D CNC designs. It provides advanced toolpath options like V-carving, nesting, and chamfering. It supports importing many file formats and works well for detailed, precise projects. It's a one-time purchase of $699, making it a better choice for businesses or professionals who want long-term software without monthly fees. In short, Carveco Maker is great for beginners and casual users who want a 2D and 3D design flexibility, while VCarve Pro is better for professionals needing advanced toolpaths and precise CNC control. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.